So here we have the BMW 320i M Sport on a 17 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. As you'll see from the outside, it's a 5-door car with those M Sport alloys and tinted windows around the rear. I'll start off inside the boot and then we'll work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the rear of the car, you'll notice we've got reversing sensors and plenty of boot space in this car. Just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now before I hop in and run through a few controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. You've got this lovely red leather interior that matches the door cards. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the fuel gauge, followed by the speedometer, then the rev counter, and on the far right hand side we've got the oil temperature gauge. In the middle we have a trip computer that also shows the total miles on this car, which are 3,029. You can change the information that's displayed up on there by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk as well. Backing out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right hand side stereo controls as well as voice activation for the phone. So you hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list and it will do that for you. The phone itself is initially paired up over on this center screen here. So this is BMW's business nav. Everything you see me doing here by way of movement is all done using the iDrive system, which are this collection of buttons just here. So this main dial, you can do most of it with this. You can go through the various options, you can select things, you can move it over to the right, left, up or down to highlight or enter various different menus. So I'll show you how that works. If, for example, we want satellite navigation, we twist it till we get to navigation, push the button down, and it'll open up the navigation menu where you can input a destination, or you can just view the map should you wish to. If we want to go back out of this, we press the menu button, it takes us back out to the main menu. Multimedia will be where we can listen to music. So this car's got a CD player. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth. It's also got an auxiliary and USB input. When it comes to radio, we've got FM, AM and DAB digital radio, and then you can see the phone just there. Once you pair up a phone, all of your contacts will be listed there, and obviously you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. Working our way down, we've got the CD player and then the dual zone climate control. So you suggest select I should say, the temperature on the right and left hand sides of the car independently, and then either hit AC to turn the air conditioning on or hit auto and it will maintain those temperatures for you, and you can override that yourself with the fans just there. This car's also got heated driver and passenger seats as well. Beneath that we've got the 6-speed manual gearbox with the M Sport detailing on the top, and to the left of that we've got a few switches, a few buttons we can change various setups with. So first of all, that will turn off traction control. This will change the driver setup for the car. So the car is in comfort mode at the moment. If we hit sport, it will show us up on here that we've changed it to sport mode, dynamic driving as it says. It will change the sensitivity to the accelerator pedal and the steering column as well. Similarly, we can put it back into comfort, normal driving mode, or Eco Pro, so more efficient driving. So different things you can play with there. And then lastly, we've got the iDrive, which I showed you a moment ago. And then all the way back in the central armrest, we've got the auxiliary and USB inputs for connecting devices to listen to music. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.